Straight out of the oven, let's get hold of some of that. It's looking delightful. Really good. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. That's so good. You should probably subscribe to the channel. All right, so today I've got some sausages, tin of tomatoes, onions, a few veg. Got that together. Potatoes on the top, bit of cheese, bang it in the oven, voila. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So, sausages, you just saw those being made. Now, I've got some pork sausages. You can use any type of sausage you want. I've now cut that into some nice little rounds there, you know. 1 can of tomato, 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of thyme. I've got some chicken stock there, 500 ml, but we're probably not going to use all of that. I'll let you know about that later. And then I'm going to bulk it out with these vegetables. I've got some bell peppers, carrots, and zucchini. There's about 2 cups of each. Now, the beauty about this is you can use anything you want. You can use any veg you like. If you don't have to use a veg at all, in fact, if you don't want. But mushrooms, eggplant, celery, you know, bulk it out. Can of sweet corn in there. Very, very easy. Let's get to the cooker, get this started, and then I'll talk to you about our potatoes. Okay, so I've got my pan here, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using the olive oil. We're on quite a high heat. So in go the onions and the garlic. I'm now going to add my carrots as well. And if you had things like celery or something like that, you'd be putting that in as well. Salt, black pepper, high heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. There we go, 3 minutes or so on that high heat just to get them started. Let's now drop in our zucchini, our bell peppers, and like I say, any type of veg you want to put in, go for it. We're now going to get our sausages in there. I'm using this pork sausage. You could use, again, a beef sausage maybe, or anything you like really. You could even use like some hot dogs or something like that if you fancied it. Okay, another 4 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving. We're well on our way. So pretty much on the final stage here. What we're going to do is drop in that little bit of thyme. Now, you can put chili powder in there, smoked paprika in there, basil, tarragon, rosemary. Choose the direction you want to go in. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of tomatoes. This can of tomatoes was whole plum tomatoes. I just crushed that with my hand, roughly. We're then going to grab our stock. I've got a chicken stock here. Any stock will do. If you want beef stock, vegetable, up to you. Okay, so I put in about 400 ml. I didn't quite use that whole 500. But we're going to turn the heat down now to medium. And we're going to go for about 8 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Let's have a chat about our spuds. So while that's cooking away on that medium heat, potatoes. So I peeled them and I boiled them in some salt water. I've sort of cut them like that, you know, big slices like that. You can cut them in rounds if you want. I've got about, I think it's like 4 or 5 decent sized potatoes there. But yeah, they're ready. They're cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this into a baking tray, some sort of baking tray, something that can go in the oven. We're going to put the sausage and the sauce in, cover it with the potatoes. We're going to add some cheese, pop it in, it's done. Okay, that's looking beautiful. That's really kind of reduced down, as you can see. Off goes the heat. Now, a little idea or tip, a can of baked beans in there works wonders. You can get that in and mix it in. So there we go, we've done that. Let's just get it together. So this is ready, the potatoes are ready. Let's do it. Now, before I go any further, get your oven on. You want it on about 200, which is 200C, which is about nearly 400 F. Get that preheated. Now, I've got this in a metal tray. You could use glass, you could use ceramic, but you need something that can go in the oven. Very simply, I'm going to pop on our potatoes. So next up, some cheese. I've got a little bit of cheddar here, grated cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you want, really. And I've also got a little bit of Gouda. So if you want, just cover it in cheddar. But I've also got a little bit of this Gouda cheese. I had a block of it, so I've just cut it up a little bit. We're going to get that on. And then it's going to go in the oven. So it's going to go in the oven about 200 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You know what we're looking for. Everything's cooked here, isn't it? Then I've got a little bit of dried thyme, which I'm going to put on the top, which is kind of like the signature of what's in it, I suppose, isn't it? Yeah, maybe 20 minutes in the oven. Job done. That was actually in my oven for 25 minutes. But look at that, what a winner dinner that is. Nice and easy. Like I say, bung whatever you like in it, bulk it out. Great for the family. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.